We have to talk about कि कितने किलो कम हुए हैं भाई?
हाँ भाई तो कमाल
मेरा टोटल में अभी 12 किलो.
He's dissolving.
Really?
वो-
मतलब you're looking like Karan Johar right now, you know, or
He's-
almost like Karan Johar.
He's half the
Please,
man.
I'm much better looking than Karan Johar, okay?
He's
Ori-
half the woman he used to be.
No, but doesn't it?
Hey,
have
मैं woman
serious-
नहीं है.
क्या हो गया अब?
मैं मर्दों का मर्द है.
अच्छा,
What happened here?
मर्दों का
बाजी?
मर्द.
आजकल he's fluid.
अच्छा.
No, I'm not fluid. Ever since the president said there are only passed an executive order saying that there are only two
ऐसे नहीं.
genders.
अरे the president किस
ऐसे.
बात के the president? He's not the president.
He's the president
America's
of the whole world.
Is he
No.
your president? or
हाँ,
not?
exactly.
Well, he's not my president, but he's
अच्छा
the
मेरे को ये बता
president.
because तेरे से ज्यादा तो मुझे जरूरत है इस चीज़
हाँ,
की.
आपको तो बहुत जरूरत है
But tell
पापा.
me, do you actually but I was under the impression that you tend to lose your brains because of this.
हाँ, इसको कुछ
Rubbish.
हो तो ना.
Yeah, okay, right.
हाँ,
Okay, fine.
ये भी
My,
है.
you are immune
That's why
to
he
that.
can never be brainwashed.
No, but seriously.
Exactly.
No, but I've
But he,
heard
मतलब he
serious
started
side
with
effects.
bitchings right
अरे
away.
शुरू हो गया है यार. मतलब जैसे होते हैं ना चार यार मिलते हैं मतलब 2-3 महीने बाद MC BC पूरा लगा रखा है.
Wait, let me call तहसीन.
हाँ.
हाँ.
तहसीन जल्दी से आ बे, सब मेरे पे गैंग अप कर रहे हैं. At least
हाँ,
when you're
अच्छा,
here, they
okay.
gang up on you.
Let's be sweet to him,
Right,
बेचारा.
I'm not actually calling him, but anyway. So
Well, we have to edit. हाँ,
See,
यहाँ
इस-
ये non-FIR show ना please.
I just want you to see the kind of vicious homophobia that I'm subjected to on this podcast.
Okay.
Actually, I want this to be an FIR show. देखो यार हर शो में कंट्रोवर्सी होती है.
हाँ, हर
पिछली
show
बार भी हुई थी.
अबे तू तो माफी मार के निकल जाएगा.
देखो यार मैंने
Oh, that was so good.
I acted because लोग they were cancelling your
Let them cancel.
Let them
यार.
cancel.
you know
यार.
events.
No, no,
मेरे
listen,
पास फोन आ रहे हैं.
Nobody gives a damn. It's our.
अभी they cancelled
we
3 of your
make-
events. I got a call. They are cancelled 3 of his events. मैंने
So?
कहा यार ये सब मत.
तो
करो.
इतनी
यार,
गरीबी
I
में
listen,
नहीं है.
नहीं,
it's
नहीं,
सुशांत.
I just felt कि क्यों कर रहे हैं ये सब यार? Why
Let
you-
them do it, यार. I don't care.
Listen, do you
nobody
think
should.
I am not concerned about anybody cancelling my events. You understand?
Yeah, now will you
Listen,
at least
I am
appreciate
here.
the kind of nice
Anand,
friend that I am?
Anand, I am
of
here.
yours?
I am here. They are there. वो मेरे जूते के धूल हैं. अगर उन्होंने मेरे कैंसिल किया वो मेरे जूते के धूल.
Normally you'd say I am here. They are down on their knees. But anyway.
हे भगवान.
You know शुरू हो गया. ये फिर से FIR.
कौन सा FIR यार? Come on.
No,
but-
listen, on a more serious note, na, Smita, people
but I was
in this
worried.
country need to start developing a thick skin.
Yeah.
You know, the slightest of thing happens, somebody's
Offended.
fragile emotions are going to get damaged.
So imagine.
This is nonsense. And somebody needs to come out with all bat swinging, saying that look, unless somebody is threatening somebody,
Yeah.
unless somebody is heaping calumny or defamation, or unless you are preaching violence,
Yeah.
you know, otherwise everything else goes.
Yeah, but
And-
look
and
at
this
Supreme
nonsense
Court.
कि आपने
even
ये
that-
बोल दिया, आपने ऐसे क्यों
Even
बोल
that
दिया?
calumny and defamation can't be a state issue. It's a personal issue. It is a personal issue for you to take somebody to court.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I have no problem against even criminal defamation. Although some people, the purists, would have a problem
I
with
do.
that.
I do.
Anyway.
I don't have any problem with that because sometimes the damage that is being inflicted by this kind of defamation is very, very serious. It can actually harm a person's reputation. It can harm their life. It affects their children's lives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yes, criminal defamation, I don't have a problem
Fair.
with. But other than that, you know, somebody says something, somebody's fragile emotions are getting hurt, somebody is just going into a, you know, crazy kind of a funk. I don't think this
And the
can be
cancel
allowed
culture.
anymore. Yeah.
This
No,
is
but
ridiculous.
can I
It's
just
like-
say something
Sure,
here?
sure.
Would this not remain a kind of a chat out here? Because you know nothing's going to change.
No, but
मतलब
what
ये
can
हम
we
100
do?
बार
We
बोल
can-
चुके हैं।
Look, we can keep
कोई
banging our head against
constitution
the
amend
wall.
करेगा।
We can keep
What's the
banging
point?
our head against
Supreme
the wall
Court
in
lawyer-
the hope that the wall will one day
पाजी जज को
collapse.
आप देखिए क्या कमेंट्स थे उसके. कहता हम सिखाएंगे उसको कहाँ है वो. I mean, it was the judge was threatening.
The Ranveer Alabama.
Yeah,
No,
case
but that's
that
the
you
other
talked
problem in this country. ना थोड़ी सी power किसी को दे दो.
Crazy.
You know, and then you watch their behavior. And judges, number one, they've started thinking that they are above the law, that they are the law,
Listen,
that they will define.
forget the judges, Anand. Even an entry level non-UPSC government servant. Have you seen their attitude? Did I tell you about this? When I got back from Canada, these 4 customs officers, now you know I have a spine problem, I can't lift up heavy weights. 4 custom officers refused to help me put my bag onto the X-ray machine. 4 of them get together, stand in one thing. They wait for 15 minutes for the coolie to come. And guess what one customs officer said? It is against protocol. We can't help you. And I asked him to produce the protocol document. And the useless female at that customs, she took 40 minutes to scan the bag. She didn't even know what she was looking for.
आ गया.
This is the training. पता
आ
नहीं
गया भाई, आ गया.
पता नहीं
Oh my God.
पता नहीं इनके माँ बाप ने कितना रिश्वत देके इनको कस्टम्स में भर्ती किया था.
I
But
know.
tell me,
I don't want it from you.
if you're so useless as
I'm
a
not
customs
him.
officer,
Yeah.
imagine
Or her.
judge की क्या है, imagine IAS officer की क्या है.
फिर जैसे ही सरकारी हो जाता है कोई तो they think they're twice born.
Yeah, yeah.
But यार फिर वही है ना,
सरकारी
And
you
even
say-
twice bonds don't have that attitude that these IAS officers forget IAS, yaar. This is the thing. Even that tier 4,
So they
tier 5
also have a
officers.
spine problem, except that they don't have one.
Yeah, exactly.
Listen, but the thing is, the lower bureaucracy is in many cases far worse than the upper bureaucracy.
Absolutely.
Right? It's always been the case. And
This
the
is a
British
lovely start,
model,
by the way, yeah.
the British model, तेरे को पता है क्या था British model? The lower bureaucracy lives off the people.
Yes.
The upper bureaucracy lives off the state.
Yes.
So the lower bureaucracy is living off the people.
Yes.
But it's not just the Ranveer Allabadia case. I feel thanks for coming on time. These guys have come
Excuse
early.
me.
Yeah.
They have come early.
I know.
Because we were at 1:45, but
Exactly.
then they came at 1:30,
And
which is so nice.
I made it a point to come at 1:44, and they said it started. I
They've
was like,
started early, and because the original time was 1:30 for the shoot.
The original time was 1:30.
हाँ.
you made it 1:44.
We said that latest we will start is 1:45.
I love all his funky
So that does not
sunglasses.
mean that he comes the
ये कौन
latest.
से वाले हैं?
ये भाई VIP है
But we were
भाई.
expecting it.
Oh my God! You got non-branded sunglasses.
You're
also
not
judging
non-branded, are
you.
you, man?
They made in Italy, पर ये क्या है?
नाम पढ़ो.
क्या है?
They're not non-branded. You're
क्या है
back.
ये इधर?
यार ऐसे ब्रांड का क्या फायदा जो ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, exactly.
ऊपर लगा है ना.
That is
Brand तो ऐसे वाला
that's
भी
so
है.
like Delhi ना brand यूं दिखना चाहिए.
पंजाबी हो गए तो ब्रांड की वैल्यू.
But it's subtle, na? It's only those who
There
know
is
the
nothing subtle about a brand.
those who know the
You are
value.
in Delhi. There is
देखा?
nothing subtle.
हाँ, देख भाई,
यहाँ
दिल्ली
पे
में
पूरा
पंजाबी रहते हैं.
Gucci या
हाँ,
Tommy.
Hey, not Gucci, Gaki.
Gaki.
दिल्ली में गक्की
I'm
कहते हैं.
sorry.
You're looking hot.
This looks good on
You're looking
you.
very good. Honestly,
Yeah, it looks good on you.
Is that?
It's kind of a
See,
weird.
you've got a squarish head, so it suits you.
yeah. if I give this to you, I'll have to join BJP because ED will come to my house. And by the way, income tax can now check your emails. Huh?
हाँ,
Yeah,
अच्छा.
yeah. And your
Let them
Instagram,
check, yeah.
and your Facebook, and your Twitter.
What if they read your DMs? And what if your DMs if you have done a lot of...
I'm actually more worried about ED getting into my grinder.
Oh! What
Okay,
if
we
You
are
have
not
an
going-
account.
we are
We are
not
not
going
Is
there.
this some
we have to-
metaphor?
we are not going
Is
there.
Grinder a metaphor or
wait.
something, or physical
No,
actual
it's like
grinder?
Tinder. Grinder is for guys.
अच्छा अच्छा.
But what
No,
if
I
it-
thought वो डोसा डो वाला ग्राइंडर की बात कर रहा है.
It's
स्टोर वाला.
आगे ना
He's
मद्रासी
exactly
वाली.
grinding.
मैंने एक्चुअली वही सोचा.
No, no, he
He
might
exactly
be,
wants to
You know
grind.
the stones
This
वाला
is-
एक ऐसे ये वाला
So
ऐसे.
just a caveat for ED guys, if you're watching, this cost all of 40 euros on the
Yeah.
roadside, on the roadside of Florence. Okay.
True. I agree. Just true. Huh. And in case the ED guy reads you and he actually wants to grind with you.
Again, we are going into the zone
Yeah.
of.
हाँ नहीं भैया.
Listen,
FIR.
I have decided. I have
It's not
decided.
the red zone, it's the FIR zone.
ये तहसीन
भाई लोग,
प्रयागराजिया.
La-
तहसीन
last
प्रयागराजिया.
time, last time,
I like
he was merely cancelled.
Yeah.
FIR नहीं हुआ था. This time
मैंने
we have
भी हाथ
to.
लगाया.
हम शपथ लेते हैं. We'll take the oath of Horatio. चलो, like you remember that old oath of Rome.
What is this oath we are taking?
The
This is-
no, we
you
do
know- you
जब
know
तक
this-
FIR नहीं हो गया.
Let's do it this
If
way.
you- no,
that-
if you
that-
do it
Elon
like
Musk,
this, somebody
Elon
will
Musk.
say
हाँ,
Nazi.
वो Elon Musk
Elon
वाला
Musk
हो जाएगा.
This
We-
is
नीचे
this
कर,
is the
नीचे
oath,
कर.
the
नीचे,
oath
नीचे.
that all the Roman soldiers
नहीं
took.
नहीं
चलो.
भाई हम लोग रोमन वाला नहीं
yeah.
करें.
Let's come back to what we started with, which was your weight loss
Yeah.
magic. तो फिर सबका weight का story
नहीं,
है.
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
Everybody has.
नहीं वेट लॉस होगा तो बताना ना अभी.
अच्छा ये रमजान की
I do Shravan, Navratra and Ramzan for an atheist.
अरे भाई कहाँ से निकला है यार ये बंदा.
Can we have your weight loss magic? How long did it take you? कितना देर लगा? 1 month? 2 months?
So this has now been almost 2 months, and I've lost 12 kilos.
Amazing, amazing.
Incredible.
Anand, your weight loss story we discuss in every
मेरा तो
samosa
no
caucus.
diet control as you can see.
You
in front
doing
of me,
1 meal a
samosas.
day, 100%.
नहीं, no diet at all. No meal restrictions. It's just exercise.
Nah.
8 kilometers
ये वो
a day.
विद्या
in a-
बालन वाली ना that only
But
और
it took
शिल्पा
me,
शेट्टी.
It took me 3.5 years. to lose 26 kilos.
Sushant Paji.
But you're
It's
not-
taken you 1
You
month
think
to
I've lost weight?
He's come in black t-shirt because he put on weight.
So you know the person who in between was looking like Karan Johar was Sameer Saran. Do you notice?
Sameer
He's-
looks like Farhan Akhtar as per the comment section of
But Sameer is
the
but Sameer is
podcast.
good looking.
Sameer Saran is like blessed genetically.
You
I'm
just checked
telling you.
yourself. You're saying Sameer is so gorgeous.
ये कितना
You were like
gadget-
biting
कब
your
बोला
lip
है?
and all that. भाई तू क्या कर रहा है यार?
But in between,
FIR
in
करवाएगा तो
between,
यहाँ-
he was looking very unhealthy. Uska
And some lordship will say, we
हो
know
गया
what
था।
podcast
नहीं,
is.
but Sameer का ये है, I've seen him eating 6 gulab jamuns at one point.
Arey, 6 gulab jamun chodo. Every afternoon. Do you know Sameer Saran? Okay, this has to be on record. ORF and Sameer Saran are 100% responsible for my weight gain. If I die of a heart attack, please hold ORF and Sameer Saran responsible. पता है समीर सरन के ऑफिस में क्या होता है? हर दोपहर को 12 समोसे, चने भटूरे, all made in ghee. Every
You are in ORF,
unhealthy
just clarify.
food you can think of.
Clearly see.
No, but
Clearly he's...
they
काम तो लेने दो.
20 gulab
कैमरा में
jamuns.
फोकस करो.
but it's like he eats a lot, but I'm convinced of this that
But
there is
he
God
eats-
up there.
but he eats only one meal a day.
हाँ, one meal.
But
Which is
Smita,
what I
you
do.
don't say, huh? We were at Navika's dinner and मैं खा रहा था वो 10-15 कबाब खा रहा था ये वो and you know चुप छुपा के खा रहा था and she says Anand dinner भी है by the way. I
हाँ,
felt
ये-
so embarrassed. It's terrible.
मतलब ये सारे
आदमी
वेजिटेरियन
starters भी नहीं खा
स्नैक्स
सकता.
खत्म कर देता है जिस पार्टी में भी जाता है वेजिटेरियंस तो भूखे मर जाएं because our man has gone through the snacks like a vacuum cleaner and then you think कि इतना खा चुका
they
है
were
ये
really
डिनर
nice,
नहीं
good
खाएगा
snacks, yeah.
but ये डिनर भी खा जाता है and then everybody looks at his constitution
Yeah.
कि भाई क्या है what are you,
But
burning
he's
how
like
you
that.
burning?
His
It's like
weight
that
loss is
Babaji.
remarkable.
You know, there's this viral
taken
video of a
so
Babaji, this new Baba who's there, and it's a viral video. It's actually true. So he tells one of his
Bageshwar?
not Bageshwar, another one. He's got a curly hair. I don't know his name. The new Baba. So he told one of his followers, it's a good advice that आप सब दाल खाइए, सब्जी खाइए, और रोटी और चावल बिल्कुल नहीं खाना. She was a little plump. She says, "तो बाबा जी मैं पराठे खा सकती हूँ." It's actually in his.
True. So there's this one friend of mine. She said that her father-in-law was told that very severely diabetic and extremely overweight that एक फल खा सकते हो आप, right?
अच्छा.
So the presumption is one serving of fruit, right?
Correct.
तो एक महीने के बाद ना तो शुगर कम हो रहा है ना वेट कम हो रहा है तो इसे सिद्धार्थ जी व्हाट हैव यू डन लाइक क्या कर रहे हो आप जब मैं एक ही फल खाना तो ही सेड व्हाट डिड यू डू he was eating one full tarboos.
My God.
And this is a true story. I'm not making it up. He was eating a full tarboos because one serving of one fruit.
So here's the story of my cousin who's a plastic surgeon. So he had this patient and as part of the treatment, he had given her a diet plan and he said, you need to stick to it. So she comes back after 1 month and she says, Doctor Saab, मेरा तो वेट ही नहीं कम हो रहा मैं तो आपकी डाइट पूरी फॉलो कर रही हूँ तो माय कजन वाज अ लिटिल शॉक्ड देन हर हस्बैंड चिप्स इन बोलते डॉक्टर साहब वेट कैसे कम होगा ये पहले आपकी डाइट करती है उसके बाद नौकर को कहती है अच्छा वो नाश्ता ले आई so she carries on the regular
Food with the
food
diet.
Now,
with-
now
and
I
has a diet
understand.
food.
Now I understand the secret of your nose. It
What
has
the-
all the classical things that you see in Iran of girls who have had their nose
job.
reshaped.
What's it called?
Can you imagine
Plastic.
Sushant ever
Plastic surgery-
going
plastic
through
surgery
plastic?
So you know, in Iran, it's a cultural thing. When you reach 18 years of age, your father gifts you a nose job.
Wow.
And they're the mannequins. They all have little band-aids.
What
on
job
their
were
nose.
you gifted
My
with when
nose
you
is
turned
natural.
18?
You know, he's
His
traveled
father
so
didn't give him
much.
no job. I promise
He's
you.
traveled so much
No,
कि
but
ये
listen,
कुछ
this
भी
is-
garbage बोल देगा ना
This is-
people will say
नहीं,
"अभी
नहीं,
आप तो
I
sit
want
down
you
here."
Google it.
Oh.
Google
No,
it
cha-
right
cha.
now. Google it.
Google.
And you know the mannequins, they have little
Bandits.
band-aids on their nose.
Yeah.
You know
Acha.
why? Because they're
breathing, easy
cool.
breathing.
To be cool, for the mannequin to be cool, it needs to have had a nose job.
But this happens
And-
even. Sorry to interrupt, but if you take the Emirates flight out of, UAE to go to America or wherever, you'll find so many women with lip jobs,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
they
yeah.
come there to get. So suddenly in the aircraft,
who was that,
everybody with this Donald Duck mouth.
Donald Duck नहीं यार वो Rolling Stones का कौन था वो Mick Jagger.
Mick Jagger.
Mick Jagger.
Mick
But
Jagger.
yeah, I'm talking about women, So
No,
I'm
no,
like,
Mick
But
Jagger
listen,
lips.
Listen, as women go, the worst case of plastic surgery ever is this lady
That's
who
so
died
Malia
2-3 years back called the Duchess of Alba.
I
She
heard
was
of her.
actually very pretty.
Yeah.
It is just, dude, you're like, How do you even look good? You look like a freak.
No, but there's so many women
So many.
who get
Even
but
even the
Bombay,
heir to the
my God,
Versace?
Bombay film
Was
industry.
the Donatella?
Yeah, even she,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
She went from
Joan Rivers, so many
she
of
went
them.
from here to there.
Yeah.
You'd think plastic surgery is for good.
It's also for men. It's
That's
not
true.
just women. Men are also getting it done. I'm
That's
sorry,
true.
but
Him.
half of
See
Bollywood.
his nose.
But-
Focus
um,
on his nose. I want you to zoom in on
I
his
don't know
nose.
of
you'll see.
any Bollywood, I mean, a man in the Bollywood who's got a surgery.
I'm sure they have.
Of course.
Oh, everybody.
Yeah,
yeah.
Everybody.
ये भगवान की देन नहीं है that I do yoga and I look the way I do.
Look at
Oh my God.
and look at how she was.
Yeah.
But see,
God,
I've
she
read
looks like
about
a
this.
cartoon character.
No,
But you know what?
So I've read
You
about
feel
this.
sorry.
I don't know if she had some illness. So
This
we
is-
don't know
yeah.
this.
Yeah.
I haven't read enough.
It's-
So I don't know much about
But
this. But
it
I
would
did
be
see
that,
these
you know,
pictures.
it begins, I believe what one has read is that you begin with chota, and then it gets like everything looks imperfect, right?
True.
So
Yeah.
you
Pushing
keep
it.
adding, you keep pushing the limits. And there's also this body dysmorphia, that thing, you know,
There was
none
this
of
movie
us...
called Death Becomes Her. You remember? It's like 20 years ago. Bruce Willis and...
That's true.
Huh. In that...
But see, I'm reverse aging. I'm living till 180, 190.
अच्छा.
पर करेगा क्या यार 180 साल तक राहुल गांधी will
But I
लीडर बनेगा भी है
It will still be LOPS for
कि
you.
ज्वार
You crack that
ज्वार
joke.
पिज्जा खाएगा, ज्वार का पिज्जा,
Bajra.
बाजरा का पिज्जा.
So can I just say this? You know, our
It's
favorite
cheap,
restaurant in Delhi,
Huh.
Chef Carmen, she's come up with these fermented gluten-free potato
खा
dough
अपने आप,
pizzas.
मैंने नहीं खाना.
No, listen.
very tasty.
I tried it. It was awesome.
Fermented
Can't
मतलब
tell the
आलू
difference.
आलू भूल गई थी रखा हुआ था माइक्रोवेव के अंदर 1 महीने तक.
And the
Have you
Italian
seen
Cultural
those?
Center does quinoa-based pizza, which is also you
Why
can tell
haven't we
the
gone to the
difference.
Italian culture
We have
center?
to go. We have
When are we going? Let's go.
No, but how are you eating and doing this medication?
Because so what happens is
हाँ,
now
मतलब
I
खा तो बड़े चाव से रहा है.
Right.
ओए मैं सोच
So
रही
I
हूँ.
भाई 12
eat.
किलो.
The thing is, I can't eat after this.
Yeah. So you're
As in
doing
physically, you know, the real killer with me was all the snacking that used to go on in between.
Yeah.
Right now, I have about 20 different packets of caramel popcorn with now 24% GST or whatever it is.
I can't stand
and
that
things
thing.
like that. I love it.
The
And cheese
24% GST.
popcorn and, you know,
So
Punjabi
how do you
tadka and all
like
these bullshits.
caramel popcorn and then complain about my sambar which has good in it? You know,
because one is a
पंजाबी
sweet.
सांबर मतलब क्या?
No,
सांबार
Punjabi
में
side
गुड़
से-
नहीं
Hers
पड़ता
is
है.
Kannadigan.
Okay, period.
Half.
Anyway, so
उसमें
I
गुड़
have
होता है.
it.
Punjabis make the
It
best
is-
South Indian food.
It is now. It is
I
now
was about to say
reaching
yes,
its
but-
expiry date because I haven't touched it.
do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.